started from the bottom and now I'm rich. I got in my bag and I ain't looked back since. I started to say sorry, but fuck that shit. You started out hating, now you love my drip.
Hello pure dolls, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am just going to bleach the ends of these body wave bundles in the inch of 16, 18, and that last bundle right there is the 22 that was left over from the previous video. My clients that wanted these bundles bleached wanted the ombre look, and I'm gonna give her just that. Of course, I have my BW2 powder and my 20 volume developer, and I also have a 40 volume developer. She didn't want them really light. She just wanted like a honey blonde color. So the bleaching process was slight, if you know what I mean. So at this point, y'all have seen this process before in most of my previous videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up. Also, I do not recommend you doing this process without gloves. I ran out of gloves. I normally don't use gloves, but I do not recommend you to do this process without gloves. Application time. So at this point, I'm just going to work the bleach into the hair. My client wanted like a highlighted honey blonde look, so I am not going to unwrap the bundles and spread them out and apply the bleach. I'm just going to apply the bleach as is and work it in as good as I can. One down, 1.5 to go. I'm going to repeat the steps I did with the first bundle, and as y'all can tell, the bleach is already working because you can see the color lifting on the bundle that I had previously done. Last one. Let's work. And here's the final look of my client and her hair. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.